Facility Layout Analysis. Introduction. Facility layout analysis ensures that the arrangement of spaces, equipment, and workers supports efficiency, safety, and comfort. It is important in offices, factories, hospitals, and public sectors facilities. Learning objectives. First, conduct space utilization surveys. Second, analyze traffic flow. Third, perform ergonomic assessments. Fourth, evaluate facility layout effectiveness using data. Space utilization surveys measures how effectively workplace space are used. Example, an office with 20 desks but only 12 employees on site, leaving each desk unused daily. It, it is equivalent 40% unused space. Traffic flow analysis. First, maps movement of people and materials. Example, narrow hallway in a municipal building causes crowding. Recommendation is relocation or widening. Ergonomic assessments. Identifies risk for musculoskeletal disorders. Example, stop with chairs lacking back support. Risk of back pain, recommend adjustable chairs and straight breaks. Analysis for layout improvement. Analyze space utilization, bottlenecks, and ergonomic risk. Example, 50% space use, congested filing area. Disk rearranged to improve flow. Evaluating layout effectiveness. Check if layout support efficient operations. Example, photocopier too far from stop. Waiting overcrowded. Reposition equipment and expand seating. Activity example. First, survey in public library. Second, crowded reading area, underused computer area. Third, help improve placements of seats and computers. Example. First, traffic flow and ergonomic analysis in hospitals. Second, congestion during equipment transport, low patient chairs. Third, proposed hallway redesign ergonomic seating. Facility layout analysis improves workplace efficiency, safety, and comfort through surveys, traffic studies, ergonomic checks, and data-driven planning.